In this video guide, I will show you a smartphone app that will help you to understand better YouTube channels or Instagram profiles, Twitter, Twitch, and that's it for the moment. These are the social network that you can monitor. So for example, well, this is the app. It's called Social Blade. You can find also a website which is a little bit more appropriate if you want to make research. It's gonna give you more data, more analytics, and more graphics as well. But also the smartphone app works well if you are with your smartphone. So in this video I will show you a little bit about this app. Of course, if you don't have it installed, you can install it using the Play Store and just search for Social Blade. That's it. You can see I've already installed it. I can open it, and there you go. So first thing, it's gonna show you the top 50 YouTubers in the world. So if you're curious to know what are the 50 top YouTubers in the world, you can check this quick page and see and have an idea of what they are. So if I want to check something more in depth, so if I want to, let's say I want to know more about these PewDiePie right there. Okay, so I can check all the statistics and the data, and also the earnings. They are a little bit, well, they are, I don't know if they are accurate, but these are everything. It's kind of calculated, so they are not the actual earnings, but it's something that could be in that range that you can see. It's pretty wide, so it's just giving you an idea of what you can do with that amount of subscribers and followers and views. Here you can see the different subscribers and views for each day, and also I can see projection down there. I got a button here for projection for 2022, 2024. And again, in the website, in Social Blade website, you will find more accurate, more analytics, more projections, more of everything. Now let's check another one. Let's say Twitter. Again, I have the top 50 Twitters by followers, and well, let's select another one here. Maybe let's go for Elon Musk. And there you go. So it's also giving a vote, a grade. It's voting for this. And again, I can check all the different data and the projections for the following years and months. So it's kind of a good tool to understand better, to study, to make some researches on what is trending, what is going good, going fine on the web, and so on. Well, I find it really interesting and really fun to use. So, well, it's not so difficult to understand, so I will stop right now for this video. So again, if you want, you can also check the website, which is also pretty nice, and it has more supported platforms, so it's bigger and better basically. So if you can use it on the web, and also please, this is our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And also, if you want to support us, you can check our other videos that we publish every day about many different types of software. Also in the playlist at the top you will find English video courses, different types of software and video courses, and in the bottom part of the page you will find the English video guides about web and open source management and many more smartphones. Okay, now please subscribe, leave your comments, and also check our community page, store page, if you want to support us, about page, and all these links that you find at the top right. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.